Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudha Rani, professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. As part of the Object Oriented Programming Lab series, we'll be looking into 7A experiment, which is to write a Java program that creates threads by extending thread class, and three threads will be creating. One thread will be displaying good morning, another thread will be displaying hello, another thread will be displaying welcome. So we are using three concepts here, which is like the thread concept, and we are using synchronized keyword, and we are also using the sleep method. So what is multi-threading? Multi-threading is a process where multiple threads execute independently but share resources, helping improve efficiency. What is synchronized keyword used for? The synchronized keyword ensures that only one thread accesses a particular section of a code at a time, avoiding conflicts. And what is the purpose of the sleep method? So the purpose of the sleep method is to pause a thread for a certain duration, simulating time delay or waiting for other tasks. We begin the program by writing the import statement, import java.util.scanner. This imports the scanner class to read user input from the console. Next we have class goodMorning extends class. We define a class goodMorning that extends thread class, making the goodMorning class a thread class automatically. It has an instance variable count to store how many times it will print the message. So in the constructor, we have initialized the count variable, and the constructor is invoked when an object is created. Next we have written the run method, public synchronized void run method, which is overridden in this particular class. The run method is invoked automatically when a thread execution starts. It is marked synchronized, so only one thread can execute at a time. A loop runs till the count times. So inside the loop, the thread sleeps for 200 milliseconds and then prints good morning. The try catch block handles possible interruptions when the thread is sleeping. Next we have written hello thread class in the same way like how we have written the good morning class. We have taken the count variable, initialized it in the constructor of the hello class, and extended the hello class to thread, making it a thread class automatically. And then we also have overridden the run method here and making the thread sleep for 300 milliseconds and execute the loop for the count number of times and print hello for the count times. And then we have also written the welcome thread class. So the welcome thread class also extends thread and it prints welcome message, just like how we have printed the good morning and the hello message. The welcome thread's run method sleeps for 400 milliseconds before printing welcome. So the main method starts the program execution. The scanner object is created to read input from the user, and we are reading three integers from the user to decide how many times each message should be printed. So for good morning message to print, we are taking in the data in the GM count, and for the hello message count, we are taking in hello count, and welcome message, how many times welcome message have to print, we are taking in the welcome count. So then we are creating the objects of each thread class with the respective count passed into as argument to the constructor. So good morning GM is equal to new good morning, and passing GM count as an argument into the constructor. So once the three objects are created with respect to the count, then the start method is called on each thread object beginning their execution. So the statement is gm.start. GM is the object of the good morning class, HT is the object of the hello class, and WT is the object of the welcome class. So we have started the three threads simultaneously, and the start method of the thread automatically invokes the run method. As you can observe, we haven't written anywhere like gm.run or ht.run or wt.run and so on, but still the start method internally will invoke the run method. So finally we have closed the scanner object so that to free up system resources. So the program creates three threads, each responsible for printing a message multiple number of times as mentioned in the count integer variables. Each thread sleeps for a fixed interval before printing its message, and the synchronized keyword is used to ensure only one thread executes the run method at a time, and the user can control how many times each message is printed. Threads run independently, but one thread at a time due to synchronization. So if the input is 2, 3, 4, it means that the good morning message will print 2 times, hello message will print 3 times, and then welcome message will print 4 times. So that's what you can see in the output. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.